Home is full of everyday objects we use all the time. Learning their names in English helps you speak naturally in daily life. Fridge, fridge, fridge. The fridge is almost empty. Freezer, freezer, freezer. Ice cream is in the freezer. Stove, stove, stove. She is cooking pasta on the stove. Oven, oven, oven. The chicken is in the oven. Microwave, microwave, microwave. He heated the food in the microwave. Sink, sink, sink. The plates are in the sink. Cup, cup, cup. This cup is my favorite. Glass, glass, glass. I drink water in a glass. Plate, plate, plate. The plate is on the table. Bowl, bowl, bowl. The soup is in the bowl. Spoon, spoon, spoon. I eat yogurt with a spoon. Fork, fork, fork. Use a fork for the salad. Knife, knife, knife. Be careful with the knife. Pan, pan, pan. She fried eggs in the pan. Pot, pot, pot. The rice is cooking in the pot. Kettle, kettle, kettle. The kettle is boiling.